The National Electrical Code does not specifically address remote resetting of service entrance circuit breakers. However, several sections of the NEC are relevant. NEC 240.25 T1 requires circuits and equipment to be protected from overcurrent in accordance with their ampacity. NEC 215.12 requires a disconnect at the point of entry of service conductors. Remote resetting of service entrance circuit breakers raises several safety concerns. Firstly, increased risk of fire is a concern because if the overcurrent condition that tripped the breaker is not addressed, it could lead to a fire or electrical arc flash. Secondly, arc flash hazard is another concern because resetting a breaker remotely without investigating the underlying cause could result in an arc flash hazard to maintenance personnel. Thirdly, a delay in troubleshooting can occur. Remote resetting can delay troubleshooting and corrective actions, potentially prolonging the risk of electrical hazards. From an engineering perspective, remote resetting of service entrance circuit breakers is generally considered poor practice, as it bypasses the intended safety function of the overcurrent protection device. There are alternative solutions to remote resetting that can comply with code requirements and enhance safety. 1. Install a remote disconnect switch. This would allow for remote isolation of the equipment, but prevent unauthorized or premature resetting of the circuit breaker. 2. Use a self-resetting circuit breaker. These breakers automatically reset after a predetermined time delay, reducing the need for remote intervention. 3. Install a remote monitor and alarm system. This would allow for remote monitoring of the circuit breaker status and automatic notification of trips. Based on the code requirements and safety concerns, it is recommended that you advise against remote resetting of service entrance circuit breakers. Encourage consideration of alternative solutions that comply with code and enhance safety.